We are looking at mock-ups today. So if you're here, it's because you came from my mock-up blog post and you have downloaded the business card mock-up folder. So in that folder, you should have had a JPEG and a PSD. I already have my PSD file open, so you're going to double click to open that on Photoshop. So let's get right into it. If you look over here, in the right-hand corner, you have all your tabs. The great thing about mockups is they set everything up for you to make it as easy as possible, and they label all their layers, so it's super easy to navigate. So you can hide layers if you want to see what something looks like without something in the picture. For example, if you don't want these leaves over here, you can come over here and hide the leaves layer. Or maybe you don't like the look of the plate. They have wooden plate base here. You can hide that. And if you know for sure you don't want those, you can absolutely delete them as well. So let's get right into adding our own business card. So first thing you're going to do is over here in the right hand corner, you're going to go to the top card. And as you can see, it has the top card selected. You're going to open the drop down. Now you can see there's some layers within this folder. And they make it so easy. They tell you exactly what to do. Put design here. So what you're going to do is double click the Put Design Here layer. This is going to open a new tab as you've seen, and this is where you're going to drop your own business card. So here we go. This is my top business card. I'm going to plop it on there. Now to keep everything nice and organized and not ruin the quality, I'm going to hold Shift and move my layers there. Drag it out so it fits, and I think I'll shift it right a bit. I think that looks pretty even. I like the look of that, so I'm going to press this check mark up top to place my file. Perfect, so now you can see there it is, my top business card, super easy peasy. Then we're going to come up to the top here and press this X button. And it will ask you if you want to save, cancel, or don't save. You want to save this so you don't lose it. And there you have it. So simple. My top business card is there. So I'm going to close this folder and we're going to just repeat the steps for the bottom. Super easy. Put design here. I'm going to double click again and we're going to come over and drop my bottom. And again, shift click to drag the corners to get it aligned the way you want it. Make sure it's nice and centered. And we'll say that's good. Place by using the check mark. Perfect. And we come over and press the X button again, and we want to save it. Awesome. So there you have it. That was so fast. You clearly saw me do it in 2 minutes. You could do it too. Again, if I didn't want the leaf, I could get rid of the leaf, but I personally like that. This background color is pretty close to my personal palette, so I could keep it, but if you wanted to change it, there's a million different ways you could do this. For now, I'll show you one quick one. Actually, let's just do it the paint way. So because this is its own layer, I can just paint whatever color I want right on it. So I'm going to go to the paint bucket tool over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to double click the bottom and choose which color I want. So let's just go bold. Okay, and I'm ready to, there you go. Oh, so it's a little bit of a greeny brown. That's super simple. If I don't like that, I can always Command Z and try again. So there you have it. That was super duper easy. I can come over and do File, Save As. Now, if you want to come back and edit this or just keep adding different business cards in for your clients, etc., you can save this as a Photoshop file, which is the default format. For myself personally, if I wanted to save this to upload to Instagram or anything like that, you could save as a PNG or JPEG. There you have it. Super simple. And there are mockups that are a little bit different than this, but for the most part, they're pretty much that straightforward. If you've seen on my Instagram, there was one where I was able to place this very same logo in a picture frame above a bedroom. So it was like adding it to home decor, which is really cool. And you can do this with a million different kinds of mockups. Hope this was helpful and hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.